Hello everyone, Gayath Jayasinghe here, sports and exercise scientist at Elite Academy, which is the sports physio clinic at Melbourne University. I use a lot of hands-on, soft and deep tissue techniques on my clients, and I just wanted to talk about one of the clients I had a couple of weeks ago who complained of lower extremity tightness. As a massage therapist, it was up to me to relieve some of this muscle tension, some of the muscle tightness that the client had. But something I also recommended was foam rolling in their own time, because we all know foam rolling is one of the best modalities to relieve muscle tension in your own time, and it works as good as massage therapy. So this was the plan, but we couldn't always stick to the plan, and it was a little hard for us to get the client to engage in foam rolling. So I thought, what's the best method to get this client to understand the importance of foam rolling? I thought to myself, I'm going to put him through HumanTrak, which is our 3D motion analysis system at Elite Academy, and I'm going to make him observe his own improvement in squatting and lunging patterns before and after a massage session. And I did just that. The client comes to me, he goes, "Oh God, this is amazing, this is good work, I'm going to get a foam roller today itself." And I was able to do that because I made the client understand his improvement in performance using numerical data, using objective data. So who benefits from this little case study that I elaborated on? Well, firstly, the client, because he's going to be using foam rolling. He's going to relieve some of the muscle tension in his own time so that he doesn't have to come in for massage sessions every week. That saves him time and money. Secondly, I'm going to be benefiting from this little case study because this is the train of thought that I'm going to stick to. I'm going to get my clients to see numerical objective data whenever possible so that they can understand their own improvements in their own time. Thirdly, it's you the listener, because if you haven't tried it already, you're going to be using foam rolling to relieve muscle tension if you are experiencing any. If you have a current injury or if you want to prevent a future injury, you're going to be using foam rolling. And especially if you're a young practitioner such as myself, if you're a massage therapist or a strength and conditioning coach or an exercise scientist, whoever you are, you're going to be using objective data, numerical data to show your client their own improvements. This is such a mundane, such a day-to-day occurrence for any massage therapist, but we don't give it a lot of thought. But I guess you can take a lot from this one small case study, and I hope you guys found this helpful too. So until we meet again, see you guys.